Good afternoon. My name is Mr. Collins and I'm a science teacher at Eastleigh Academy. Behind the screen over there is Dr. Williams, another science teacher we will meet in September, and what we are going to do is to show you a very simple science experiment that you could do at your current school now. In order to do this, all you need are a few basic bits of equipment. I've got a reel of tape, I've got a piece of material from which I can make a ramp, I've got a toy car, a timer, and I've got a ruler. I've also brought along a pen and a piece of paper because, like all good scientists, I'm going to write down my results, the data that I collect. Now what I'm going to show you to do is how you can calculate the average speed of something rolling down a slope. So what I've got to do first of all is to make myself a slope. That's where my tape comes in, there's my ramp. And what I need to do, I need to know how long my ramp is. So using my ruler, I'm going to measure it from top to bottom. And this comes out at exactly 32 centimetres. So I'll take the reel off so you can see that. It's exactly 32. So again, let's make that. I'm going to record that, but I need to have my measurement in metres. So I would need to divide my 32 centimetres by 100, and it will come out at 0.32 metres. And I made a note of it, so it's there. So I now know how far my car is going to travel. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my car up at the back with its back wheels at the top, and I'm going to let it roll down, and I'm going to try to judge when its back wheels leave there, and I'm going to time how long it takes. This timer times in seconds, so let's see if we can do it. So here we go. I'll give myself a countdown. It's probably best if you did this with a partner, so your friend would hold the car, somebody else would be on the stop clock, and we would do that. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release and stop. And that comes out on my timer here, 1.16 seconds. So I'm going to note that down as well, 1.16. I have now used 2 measuring pieces of equipment. I've used a stop clock, and I've used a ruler, and I've got 2 bits of data. And from that, what I can now do is I can work out the average speed. Now to do that, what I've got to do is I've got to divide the distance it's travelled by the time taken. So I'm going to write it down as a little sum, okay, like you would do in maths. Now my maths isn't so wonderful that I can do that, so I've got my own special piece of kit that I've hidden in my pocket. I've got a calculator. Now you could work this one out on your phone, so I'm now going to work out what the average speed was. So it's 0.32 divided by 1.16, and it gives me a speed of and I'm only going to go to 2 decimal places, 0.28 metres per second. So that car travelling down there was travelling at an average speed of 0.28 metres per second. Now you could extend this if you've got lots of different cars at home. You could try different ones to find out which ones are the fastest and actually put some data to it. Alternatively, you could change the angle of the slope and see how that affects it. Obviously, to get better results, the bigger your ramp, the better. Okay? The longer the time it takes, the better. But this is something that you hopefully now can trial with your teachers at your school, and it's the type of thing that we'll be looking at when you eventually join us at Eastleigh Academy. So I hope you have a go at this, and we all look forward to seeing you in September. So thank you and goodbye.